For those of you who find yourself in a time crunch come dinner time, but want something that is also delicious, look no further than this video. This dish has it all, from umami to salty to acidic. It really scratches all the right taste itches. This is shrimp scampi. First, we're gonna need some linguine pasta, water, and some kosher salt. Fill a large pot with enough water to cook the pasta in, bring to a boil, generously salt your boiling water, and add 1 pound of your pasta, making sure to separate a little bit. While the linguine is cooking, get out some unsalted butter, extra virgin olive oil, 2 shallots, some garlic, red pepper flakes, raw peeled and deveined shrimp, kosher salt, black pepper, dry white wine, and 1 lemon. Now, throughout this process, make sure to occasionally stir your pasta. Next, attempt to juggle your 2 shallots before peeling them, then dicing them relatively finely. You could probably use onion instead, but the shallots are a little more on the milder side, which I prefer. Next is the garlic, which we're gonna palm heel strike 2 cloves, like always. Peel their skins off, and also finely mince. Now, get out your lemon and
brutally murder it in front of its whole family.
Then, you're either gonna use a juicer like I did, or just juice by hand. Boy howdy, we got a squirter on our hands, folks. Then, get roughly a 1/4 cup of parsley and roughly chop. No need to be too precise here. Check on your pasta after the lower end of your box's cooking time to see if it's al dente or has a firm bite. And it's perfect. Drain your pasta and keep aside for now. Now, I used the same pan that I cooked the pasta in, but feel free to use another. But to that pan, I added 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of the butter, and heated the pan to a medium-high heat. Wait until the butter fully melts and starts bubbling. Then add your aromatics, including the garlic, shallots, and however much red pepper flake you desire. Sauté until the shallots are slightly translucent and the mixture is fragrant, about 2 minutes or so. Sit aside while we prepare our shrimp. Just a simple salting and peppering will do to season our shrimp. Just remember to watch for scavengers during this step. They can smell the shrimp from a mile away. Return the pan to the heat and add your seasoned shrimp, cooking until just pink and opaque. Shrimp cooks fast, folks, so make sure not to overcook, otherwise it'll get rubbery. Now, we want to keep the shrimp warm, so transfer it to another vessel and put a lid on it. To the same cooking pan, we're then adding the lemon juice, 2 more tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil, and 2 more tablespoons of the butter. Cook until boiling, then let reduce for a couple minutes. Then to that mixture, we're adding back our shrimp, chopped parsley, and our now almost instant ramen-looking lump of pasta. Don't worry if it looks like this. All the fats and liquids will lube it up over the heat. Taste for any seasonings, like always. Mine needed a pinch of not only salt, but a bit of sugar to balance out the acidity. Now it's time to plate, or rather bowl, up your scampi. Drizzle with a little olive oil and garnish with some parsley if desired. But now that we're done, it's taste test time, baby!
Yo, this kinda steamy though. It's like we just cooked it. Alright, we got the shrimp scampi, folks. Let's taste it. I'm not gonna lie, I tasted the noodles before to see if they needed any seasoning, but let's taste it all together. I didn't taste the shrimp. Oh my god. Yeah, this is like one of the quickest dishes you can make while still being pretty much all homemade. Just like a nice balance of salty, a little bit of umami from the shrimp, and creaminess from the butter, a little bit of acidity from the lemon and like the wine a little bit. 10 out of 10. Would recommend, you know? But you know what else I would recommend? You subscribing to this channel. I've never asked before. I have 18 subscribers as of filming, but each one of my videos has gotten at least 100 or more views, so like, what the f are the rest of you doing? Don't just stand here and watch me eat. Go make it. Or I'm gonna lick your ass. I mean, kick your ass. Sorry, damn autocorrect.